Hey buds, my name is Jamstir, and to be honest, this is not how I pictured my life. I thought that I would be traveling, making a ton of money, living this big, lavish, aesthetically pleasing life. So here I am in the in-between season, trying to figure it out one day at a time. Trying to be creative in a world that does everything possible to kill my creativity. I'm unemployed. I'm rebuilding, so to speak. I'm rediscovering myself. And somehow, I also became the main character in a show that I never even meant to create. So if you're watching this, welcome to my life. It's not perfect, it's not polished, but it is real. And I guess that's the whole point.
I didn't realize how capable help.
Y'all already know as soon as I got done eating, my mama told me to get the dishes. If it's one thing my mama gonna do, she gonna ask me to do something before I leave her house. Very much something. Now that we've got the dishes out of the way, let's take a look at the photo albums. This picture brings back so many memories, getting your hair done in the kitchen. I literally had the coolest grandparents ever, and this is not up for debate. I mean, look at them. Having the time of their life, out and about, dressed. My brother, when he was playing football, Little League football, may he rest in peace. These are by far some of the favorite pics of my mom. Look at her, she's so cute. This picture cracks me up. Look at my grandmama's face. She looking like, yeah, y'all see who I'm with? Y'all see who I'm with? I didn't really plan on making a show like this. I just knew I didn't want to disappear at this moment in my life. I spent a lot of time feeling like I needed to have everything figured out before I showed up. But I don't anymore. So this is me showing up anyway. Some seasons don't come with instructions, so I'm just taking it one step at a time. Tune in next week for episode 2. Like, share, comment.